In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text here in the announcement bar for the Shopify Dawn theme. Whether you're aiming to make your website's announcement more prominent or just want to ensure it fits seamlessly with the rest of your design, adjusting the text size can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your site editor. You can do this by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard and selecting the Online Store tab. From there, choose Themes, and then click on Customize to access the editor. Once you're in the site editor, your attention should be focused on the left panel. This is where you'll see various sections of your theme layout. Scan through these sections until you find the one labeled Announcement Bar. Now, it's crucial here to ensure that you're selecting the entire announcement bar section, not just a single element or subsection. This will allow you to make changes that affect the entire bar uniformly. Once you've clicked on the announcement bar in the left panel, you'll notice that the right panel will display the settings specific to this section. Your next move is to find the option labeled Custom CSS. This area is key because it allows you to customize the text appearance using CSS rules, which are powerful tools for tailoring the visual aspects on your site. Clicking on Custom CSS opens up a text box where you can input personalized styling commands. Here is where you will insert the code to alter the font size. Simply copy the command I'm about to describe. You'll need to use a CSS rule that targets the specific text element within the announcement bar. Type in font size, followed by the desired size measurement. For example, you might type font size 18px or font size 1 point, which will set the font size to a style that suits your needs. Feel free to experiment with different values until you find the perfect size for your announcement bar text. Remember, the pixel, px, and em units work differently, with px being an absolute value and em being relative to the font size of the parent element. Once you've input your selected size, take a moment to preview the changes on different devices if possible. This ensures your text remains clear and readable, regardless of where it's viewed. And that's about it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly customize the text size of your announcement bar to match the aesthetic of your Shopify Dawn theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider sharing your experience or any further questions in the comments below. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.